Welcome everyone. Today I'm going to do a reverse dip on this used canvas. I did one earlier and my white base was a little bit on the thin side, so some of my colors sank. So this time I've made it a little thicker. Leaves a bigger mound in the bottom, and I'm hoping this is better now. So I'm just going to spread it out. It still turned out nice. It's just some of the colors kind of disappeared, so I think that's what happens if your base is a little too thin for these dips. Learning as I go. I know I've done a lot of them, so this feels much better. It's Artist Loft paint and floetrol. There's a little bit of Liquitex white in there also. And some water to thin it, but not a lot in this. Because the Artist Loft is a flow acrylic, so it's not as thick. Oh. All right, so I think I'll torch out the bubbles. Got some metallic purple, Artist Loft, I've got house paint red, and I've got some orange and some white pearl, Rust-Oleum. And this is a little thicker too, so this time I'm hoping they don't sink too much. And add a little water to this. And this has floetrol and gloss medium. You can use any gloss medium varnish. Oh, I keep losing it. Here it is, medium and varnish gloss. I bought this at our local art store. All right, I think I'll start with, this time I'll start with the purple on the outside. Tinge more water in this. Sometimes the metallics, they thicken up as they sit. I don't want it to be too much. I don't want it to be thicker than my base. That's probably where I went wrong the last time. All right, I'm gonna go with purple on the outside. I'll do some orange. Oh, I was going to do a different pattern this time. Oh. I'll stick with the same pattern, that way I'll see, oops, I'll see if it works. I put gold in last time. I'll put gold in again. I'll do it the same colors. This gold doesn't have any gloss medium in it. I see that orange is sinking a little bit. The purple's much better. This is not a very round flower. Oh, this is thick. I'm gonna lose my orange, I think. I'll take my Rust-Oleum white. This doesn't have the gloss varnish in it either. I'm just gonna swirl it around. All right. See how this one turns out. I'll put the dried results at the end. All right, this is down pretty good. Oh. That's very pretty. Woohoo! Well, I'm getting my reactions that I want. There. Now I can go have lunch. Have a break. It's my Tuesday's my painting day. One of them anyway. Love it. That's very pretty. I like it with the purple on the outside. Awesome. There. That's a beautiful one. Well, I'm glad you came by for this one. Success. There you go. I'll put the mixture in the description below, or I'll type it on my video underneath the video, or in the video. And I'll put the dried results at the end of this video. Now hold it up so you can see how beautiful that is. I love it. Have a great day, everybody. Bye-bye. Hi, everybody. Here's my dried result, my reverse dip. There you go. Looks very cool. It dried really good. There you go. Thanks for coming by. Bye-bye.